Finding the perfect kitchen companion can transform the way you prepare meals, drinks, and snacks every day. Choosing the best blender with glass jar means investing in durability, cleaner flavors, and long-lasting performance. Unlike plastic containers, glass jars resist stains, odors, and scratches while handling everything from refreshing smoothies and protein shakes to creamy soups, sauces, and frozen desserts. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Number 5. Cuisinart Smart Power Blender.
The Cuisinart 7CHP1 blender is a dependable choice for anyone who wants the best glass blender for everyday kitchen tasks. Its 40-ounce glass jar provides enough capacity for family-sized smoothies, soups, sauces, and batters, while preserving fresh flavors without absorbing odors or stains. The dripless pour spout makes serving neat and mess-free, and the 2-ounce pour lid allows you to add ingredients while blending. With 7 touchpad speed settings and bright indicator lights, adjusting power for mixing, pureeing, or liquefying is simple and precise. The polished chrome base adds a premium look, while remaining durable and easy to maintain. Although it doesn't include automatic preset programs, the manual controls offer excellent flexibility once you become familiar with them. If you're searching for the best blender with glass pitcher, this model delivers reliable performance and lasting quality. While it's not the best personal blender with glass jar because of its larger size, it's an excellent option for families who need consistent everyday blending performance.
Number 4. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. Built for lasting performance, this blender features a durable motor and stainless steel ice saver blades that crush ice and blend frozen ingredients with 700 watts of power. Its 14 functions cover smoothies, dips, salsas, and more, making it highly versatile. The patented wave action system continuously pulls ingredients towards the blades for ultra-smooth results without chunks. Intuitive controls make operation quick and easy during busy mornings or gatherings. It handles milkshakes and icy drinks effectively while delivering consistent textures. Build quality inspires confidence with long-term reliability. Practical for family use, though best for medium batches. Some noise on high speeds is noticeable, but power makes up for it. Advantages include excellent ice crushing and versatility for creative recipes. Minor limitations appear in slightly longer times for fibrous items.
Number 3. Black & Decker Quiet Blender. Quiet technology makes this blender pleasant to use, with digital controls offering 3 speeds, smart functions, and pulse. Its 900 watts provide fast ice-crushing power, enhanced by the Cyclone glass jar and 6-tip serrated blade that creates a strong vortex for quick, even blending. Up to 30% faster results help during rushed mornings. The included 24-ounce Triton personal jar with travel lid adds convenience for on-the-go drinks. Build quality is solid with durable components. Ideal for health-focused users who want speed and reduce noise. It performs well on smoothies and frozen mixes when ingredients are cut properly. Ease of use improves with basic tips like adding liquids first. Number 2. Nutribullet Personal Blender. This compact powerhouse simplifies healthy routines with its 600-watt motor that blends fruits, vegetables, and more into smooth, nutritious drinks effortlessly. Simple push-twist design makes it intuitive for daily use, while the 24-ounce cup and to-go lid support busy lifestyles perfectly. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse blades and dishwasher the cups. It turns whole ingredients into sippable nutrition quickly, ideal for beginners or those starting wellness journeys. Build quality remains reliable for regular use. Practical for smoothies, sauces, and even baby foods with the included recipe book. Number 1. Ninja HB150C Foodi Heat IQ Blender. The Ninja HB150C blender is a feature-packed appliance designed for users who want more than a traditional blender. Powered by a 1400 peak watt motor for blending and an 800 watt heating element, it easily prepares everything from frozen smoothies and crushed ice to hot soups, sauces, and infused drinks. Its spacious 64-ounce glass pitcher features a durable, non-stick interior, making it suitable for both hot and cold recipes, while remaining easy to clean with the built-in heated cleaning program. 12 Auto IQ preset functions simplify blending, cooking, and food preparation, allowing you to make smoothies, dips, frozen desserts, cocktails, and more with minimal effort. The included tamper helps process thick mixtures smoothly, while the premium construction ensures long-term durability. Final verdict. Choosing the right best blender with glass jar ultimately depends on your daily cooking habits, preferred features, and budget. While premium models offer advanced capabilities, dependable mid-range options can deliver excellent performance for everyday blending without unnecessary extras. If you're looking for the best value, Ninja HB150C Foodi Heat IQ Blender is a great pick, thanks to its durable glass jar, multiple speed settings, and consistent everyday performance. For a more budget-friendly alternative, Nutribullet Personal Blender offers impressive ice crushing power, versatile functions, and reliable blending at an affordable price. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.